I was able to run with it, run with my ideas. There was no yields. There was no one stopping me, allowing me to take this vision that I have and make it come to life. I learned from this experience that it's okay to break those barriers. It truly is, whether it be with color and design. I learned to be a little bit more patient with myself, and I listened more to the engineers behind this project to get a better understanding of where I can and cannot go. I learned there's more people that understand how I think as a designer. All right, so first of all, the whole inspiration for this kitchen was based on the understanding that there is no client here. So I'm actually designing this set for many clients. And who are those clients? Those clients are the viewers. So that was part of the first task. Then there was the inspiration. The inspiration was based on the logo, as most people could see. The colors, the blues, the oranges, and the reds, if you look at the 69 logo. And then now back to what is the design going to be looking like? So I thought this was a great opportunity to put a little bit of everybody in the design, meaning the viewers. The process for my design, again, it was different. So I had to be very, very careful since this is a set, and I had to be very, very careful with sound and also colors and reflection. That's very important. Those limitations made this a little bit more challenging for me, but I was able to pull that off with the textiles that I've selected for this project. You'll see that most of the items are very low reflective. We've kept the high reflection of countertops in the back, low reflection in the front, and perfect example, the backsplash, very flat. There's no sheen to it. The process of selecting the textiles for the design, a lot had to do, again, backpedaling to this kitchen is for the viewers so that everyone can relate. And the idea was, what can I do to show those viewers how they can save money in certain areas of their kitchen renovation? For example, countertops. I show quartz on one end, but in the front I show laminate, which is very affordable. As far as storage goes, I show the floating shelves. This leads to function and design. A lot of the things that you'll see in here, we repurposed, or should I say, we reinvented them. For example, double ovens are now a pantry. I had to accommodate for those who are going to perform here in the future. So that was a little bit challenging, bringing the full oven stove to the front on the main island, which is very convenient for whoever is performing. And also to have the open shelves with quick, easy access to the bowls, plates, whatever they may need to prepare. One of my favorite changes in this space is with technology, we were able to create a window with a scene behind it. Yes, this scene can be changed to the seasons. And as most of you know, the seasons do determine what we're cooking, right? So think about it. In the wintertime, imagine snow falling in the background. In the fall, it's just cozy. Right now, as you can see, there's like a spring setting here, but it gives you the idea. So to be able to have these scenes in the background, it's created more depth on the set and makes it more realistic to feel like you're actually in a home. The kitchen that was here before was a very dark stained wood kitchen. The walls were yellow. The colors really didn't represent, I felt it didn't represent WFMZ. Because when I know me personally, when I watch WFMZ, it's bright, they're clear, they're just very today. That kitchen was just very, very dated. It means new beginnings. They're excited. For them, it's brighter, it's more colorful. It truly represents who they are now, moving forward with presenting ideas to the audience. they're just very, very excited. Everything you've seen and more is available for your next remodel right here at Kitchen Magic. Interested in learning more? Head on over to our website at kitchenmagic.com. Thanks so much for watching.